All right, Texas Math Mundo audience. As a teacher, I'm constantly asked by my students, when will I ever use the math that I'm learning? And well, this summer, I've been devoted to building a fence, and so I've used so much math in building this fence. First, to decorate the gates. I just thought it'd be a nice touch. Put a little oiler helmet on it, so I'm really pleased. But I do want to talk about a particular math use in building this fence. When taking out concrete encased posts, it can be a very difficult job. So I'm about to show you how you do that. All right, take a quick look at what I've done so far. I did the front because the back neighbor has a dog, and so I wanted to be able to lock his dog in and wouldn't escape, so that now I can start working on the back. So I'm going to start taking out the post, the concrete encased post from the back, and I'm going to show you Archimedes and the law of the lever. All right, so here we have a concrete encased pole. How do we remove it? So we're going to use Archimedes and the law of the lever. Archimedes once said, "Give me a place to stand and I'll move the world," talking his ability to leverage the forces when using a fulcrum. Now, I initially started by using a cinder block and nailing a 2x4 here and using my car's jack. And that does work. A car's jack will work to get these out of the ground. But I think easier and more efficient is just to use a fulcrum, a lever. So what I'm going to do is, this is pretty solid in there. I'm going to loosen up the pole a bit. So a little trick when loosening up the pole is get a shovel, and in this Texas clay, make sure you have a shovel with a bucket of water. The bucket of water helps that shovel drive through the Texas clay here in the Houston area. So let's do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first loosen the pole. All right, it's loose. Once it's loose, you can try to pick it up, but it's still kind of hard. So here is where we want to use Archimedes and the law of the lever. I look at this, and I see I want to pick it up. So what you do, take a 2x4, take a hammer, and just some common nails. You're going to nail this 2x4 right here. In a second. Right there. Just a couple of nails to make sure that 2x4 is on there good. All right, once the 2x4 is on there with a couple of nails, now you're going to use a lever. All right. So, all right, make sure my gloves are on. And now, what you want to do is you want to pop this post up. Maybe I'm a little bit too high. All right. broke. Here we go. Another one. Let's see. All right, I can feel it coming. All right. Come on. All right. Here it comes. There you go. All right. All right. And what we have still kind of tight. So all right. All right. There you go. Popped right out. And now you've removed your 2x4 and you can chunk it. Your 4x4. Your 4x4 post is gone, and that's how you use Archimedes and the law of the lever to remove concrete encased post. Math in action.